I knew I had a purpose, I just didn't know what it was. And I think when you've been living in that for so long, like you forget that there is something out there. And I guess when, you know, Creatrix came up, I had no idea what it was. I was intrigued. I knew there was something in it, and I just had to trust my gut and just take that leap of faith. And I'm so glad I did. I'm just so glad. That feeling of I'm not good enough, there was a lot of overlap with I'm not good enough and feeling like a fraud. So in those two, I think I rated them as my highest, and that was a 9 out of 10. Because I think as much training as I've done, as much study as I've done, just that feeling that I don't know enough, I feel inferior, it's a confidence thing. I just feel like, and I guess also within myself, because I feel that anxiety, I feel that feeling of being stuck, and it's almost like, well, how can I help someone else when I'm feeling like that within myself? And I think it won't let me move forward. I think the anxiety will always be there, the lack of confidence, feeling inferior, feeling inadequate. And it's debilitating, it's exhausting being in that state constantly. It's just this heaviness that's just, I carry throughout my whole body, and I think it's just not letting me move forward. And it's so easy to block it out, but there comes a point where it's like, I can't do this anymore. I know my future now will definitely 100% be a more positive one, because yeah, it's just giving me just a new lease on life, and I'm just so excited to be able to just get back out there and just start living again. And it's not just the momentum of what we've been talking about and doing, it just feels like it's a lot deeper, and I just feel like this clarity and just this head-heart connection that's just come together. It just feels like this sense of ease and calmness, and just this, yeah, like something just feels right, and I'm just going to run with that, and I'm excited for the future. I know that it is about living, not just merely existing.